Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to fish in Project Zomboid. First, you need the right gear. Ideally, find or craft a fishing rod. Rods can spawn in tool sheds, garages, or bait shops, and you can craft one with a sturdy stick, line or twine, a nail or paper clip, and a knife if you've unlocked the recipe. You'll also want some bait like worms, insects, or fishing tackle to increase your chances of catching fish. Next, head to a body of water. Ponds, lakes, and rivers all work. Stand at the water's edge and equip your fishing rod. If you don't have bait, you can dig in dirt or forage around to find worms. Once you're ready, right-click the water and select the fishing option from the menu. Pick your rod and bait in the fishing interface. In your builds, you'll aim and cast into areas of water where you see fish splashes, because that's where fish are present. After casting, wait for a bite. In older builds, the game handles the catch automatically over a few minutes, but in updated systems, you may need to pull the line carefully as tension builds. This prevents your line from snapping as you reel in a fish. If the catch is successful, the fish will go into your inventory and you now have dinner ready to cook. Just a tip, higher fishing skill improves your chance to catch fish and lowers the chance of losing bait or breaking the line. Dawn and dusk sometimes provide a slight bonus to catch rates, and rotating fishing spots helps if fish seem scarce. And that's how you fish in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.